Welcome to JS University, Shikohabad. Welcome to JS University, Shikohabad, a long-trusted name in providing education and values. The figures talked for itself, and the coming years saw JS University grows from strength to strength. Since its founding, JS University has provided a world-class higher education to an increasingly diverse student body, serving as one of the single most important avenues to upward mobility in the nation. Knowledge, innovation, and enterprise remain the vision of the university. JS University is one of the largest education group in Uttar Pradesh in providing diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD level courses in engineering, management, computer science, nursing, education, physical education, pharmacy, law, agriculture, paramedical, commerce, library science, arts and social study, mass communication, software management, and many more. Under the esteemed leadership and guidance of Dr. Sukesh Yadav, Chancellor JS University, hard work and vision of imparting the best quality education in Uttar Pradesh have placed the group at par with the leading university in the country in this short span of time. Board of Governing Body of JS University understands that every student is unique and has unique skill sets. So keeping that in mind, she tries to inculcate those skills and help the students to mold and strengthen their skills for achieving their goals. Dr. P.S. Yadav, Pro-Chancellor, Professor B.B. Agrawal, Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Geeta Yadav, Vice Chairperson, Mr. Ashok Kumar, Managing Trustee, Dr. Gaurav Yadav, Director General, Mr. Nandan Mishra, Registrar.
Welcome to JS University Shikohabad. We are delivering world-class quality education in different faculties. We have engineering, pharmacy, nursing, agriculture, education. We are also delivering so many skill development programs. We are also promoting our students to achieve the world-class standards. We are trying to maintain the world-class educational standards in our university. The infrastructure facilities are also being increased as compared to the past. We are also helping our students to achieve the international goals in terms of placement, in terms of grants. We are also maintaining the world-class standards. We are providing world-class international level facilities in our university. We have tie-ups with so many world-reputed companies like Tata Consultancy Services, Microsoft, IBM. Our students have been placed in these companies in a large number. In the second grade companies, like we are also providing placement in Motherson Sumi, Maruti India Private Limited, and many more companies. I wish you all the best for your academic journey.
शिक्षा का असली उद्देश्य है युवा पीढ़ी को इस काबिल बनाना कि वो जीवन भर अपने आप को प्रशिक्षित करते रहें। JS University, approved and recognized by UGC, AICTE, INC, PCI, NCTE, BCI, UP State Medical Faculty, and many more. JS University has been awarded as Most Admiring University of Uttar Pradesh by Big FM 92.7, Shri Samman Awards by Hindustan, Better Education Award, National Pride Award, International Excellence Award, and many more. MOUs and tie-ups with ICAR, NBPGR, Government of India, MOU with MSME, MOU with Shodh Ganga, ISRO, TCS, IONS, NIE, LIT, NIELIT, MOU with Berjaya University, and many more. जिस शिक्षा से हम अपना जीवन निर्माण कर सकें, चरित्र गठन कर सकें और विचारों का सामंजस्य कर सकें, वही वास्तव में शिक्षा कहलाने योग्य है। JS University provides well-furnished lecture halls, giving the future managers and technocrats a focused area to develop their personalities. Our library provides access to a huge number of online and specialist resources. The library provides access to thousands and thousands of printed resources, including journals, reference books, standards and books. Here you could find 50,000 book volumes and digital library access to world libraries. Totally computerized and fully furnished library with seating capacity of 500 plus students. JS University has been recognized by Cisco Networking Academy for efforts towards digital career pathway. Additional support for students includes Research Help, ICT-enabled classroom, Cisco Center of Excellence, IQAC Cell, Incubation Center for supporting startups. Laboratories are spacious and exceptionally designed with state-of-the-art facilities as per the norms and standards of their respective university. All the labs and workshops are equipped with modern equipments of industrial standards. Apart from academics, it has large playgrounds, temple and facility for several indoor and outdoor activities where students are encouraged to participate in the sports competitions. Transport facility to facilitate students, staff and others, Wi-Fi, CCTV camera, ATM, cafeteria, gym, RO mineral drinking water, biogas system, 24/7 medical facilities, ICU, NICU, emergency service, herbal garden, generator for 24/7 power supply, and ragging-free atmosphere. JS University have in-campus separate hostels for boys and girls and is home to over 1,000 students. Students living at the hostels experience the safety and security of having access to security staff 24/7. We continually invest in our accommodation to meet the growing and changing needs of our students. Accommodation within the campus is secure, safe, with the facilities on hand, and it offers the best way for you to settle in quickly and make friends for life. शिक्षा सबसे अच्छी मित्र है और एक शिक्षित व्यक्ति हर जगह सम्मान पाता है। शिक्षा की शक्ति के आगे युवा शक्ति और सौंदर्य दोनों ही कमजोर हैं। JS University endeavors to provide students the necessary training by using latest innovative methodologies in personality development programs, career building skills, and industry-linked courses. In-campus interviews are regularly organized by the Bureau for on-the-spot selection of our student. Some of the core companies like Tech Mahindra, Indo-Gulf, Amazon, Bisleri, HDFC Bank, Opel, Vivo, HCL Technology, Himalaya, Tata Motors, Genpact, Kirloskar, KPMG, Motherson, etc. Freedom to live independently, but within the secure surroundings of its campus. Apart from the academics, students of the JS University are also carrying co-curricular and extracurricular activities like Annual Fest, Annual Cultural Function, Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, World Yoga Divas, Medical Aid Camps, Plantation Drives, etc. Be a student as long as you still have something to learn. And this will mean all your life.